Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we explore the world of affordable high-protein meals. But before we dive into this topic, let's start with the basics. What is protein and why does our body need it? Protein is one of the three macronutrients, alongside carbohydrates and fats. It's often called the building block of our bodies because it plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting our immune system. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which are like the building blocks of the building blocks. There are 20 different amino acids, and our body can produce some of them on its own, but others, known as essential amino acids, must come from our diet. Why does our body need protein? Protein is essential for many aspects of our health. It helps repair and build muscle tissue, making it crucial for athletes and anyone looking to get stronger. Protein can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and support weight loss or maintenance. It plays a significant role in our immune system by aiding in the production of antibodies. Protein is essential for healthy hair and skin, keeping them strong and vibrant. Proteins are involved in countless enzymatic reactions and hormone production. Protein is essential for many aspects of our health, and it's crucial to avoid a low-protein diet due to the following disadvantages. Inadequate protein intake can lead to muscle loss, weakness, and decreased muscle function. This can be especially problematic for athletes and older adults who need protein to maintain muscle mass. Protein plays a role in boosting your metabolism by requiring more energy to digest compared to fats and carbohydrates. A low-protein diet may lead to a slower metabolism and difficulty managing your weight. Protein is essential for a strong immune system. A lack of protein can impair your body's ability to produce antibodies and fight off infections. Protein deficiency can result in brittle hair, hair loss, and dry, flaky skin. Protein is necessary for maintaining the health and appearance of your hair and skin. So, now that we understand the importance of protein and the disadvantages of a low-protein diet, let's get cooking with some affordable high-protein meal ideas. Chicken breast is a fantastic source of lean protein. It's versatile and can be used in salads, wraps, or as a main dish. A 3-ounce serving provides around 27 grams of protein. Eggs are not only inexpensive but also packed with protein. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein. Try a delicious spinach and mushroom omelette for a protein-packed breakfast. Lentils are a fantastic plant-based protein source. A cup of cooked lentils offers approximately 18 grams of protein. Let's make a flavorful lentil curry. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics. A 6-ounce serving can provide up to 15 grams of protein. Try it with some berries and honey for a tasty and healthy dessert. Canned tuna is not only convenient but also budget-friendly. A 3-ounce serving of tuna can provide around 20 grams of protein. Let's whip up a quick and delicious tuna salad. Black beans are another excellent plant-based protein source. A cup of cooked black beans contains about 15 grams of protein. Let's make a tasty black bean and corn salad. Quinoa is a versatile grain that's not only high in protein but also packed with essential amino acids. A cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of protein. Let's prepare a quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. Peanut butter is a protein-rich spread that's a pantry staple in many households. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter offer around 8 grams of protein. Let's make a delicious peanut butter and banana smoothie. And there you have it, folks. An expanded list of affordable high-protein foods and recipes to keep you fueled and satisfied without breaking the bank. Protein is essential for your health, and with these options, you can enjoy it in a variety of tasty dishes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more fantastic content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.